Sustainable Development Goals, something we have all heard countless times, but have not quite understood. Sustainable Development Goals, or SDG for short, consist of 17 goals to build and improve our society with the target of evaluation in 2030. We should not only know about SDG, but we need to take action to support the movement, starting with something we all as a living creature needs: food. Each country needs food to supply people's daily needs. They need to have sustainable food. But what is sustainable food? Sustainable food is the production of food, fiber, vegetable, or other animal products that are processed without hazardous pesticides, chemicals, non-essential antibiotics, or growth-promoting supplements. Sustainable food ensures that each person gets adequate nutrition and also protects the environment. Sustainable food has a very important role to maintain food security, better nutrition, and provide additional benefits that can contribute in achieving SDG's second goal, zero hunger.
There are a lot of different staple foods from all around the world based on the circumstances and culture of each place. Staple food may derive from plants such as rice, wheat, corn, and tubers. For countries in Asia, rice is a fairly dominant staple food. Although it varies between countries, rice has a big role in Asian diet. For example, rice consumption per capita in Laos, Myanmar, and Indonesia has reached about 179 kilograms, 190 kilograms, and 142 kilograms each year, respectively.
There are a few factors that may affect a country's agriculture production rate. Agricultural land is one of the key components in fulfilling Indonesia's food necessity. However, economic needs sometimes overshadows food necessity, so it reduces land that was actually used for agricultural needs for something else. In addition, farmers' skill in processing and producing agricultural products are still not optimal. In Indonesia, there is around 33.4 million farmers engaged in all agricultural sectors in different commodities in 2020. This figure is much smaller than the number of farmers in 2019, which reached 34.58 million. The decline in quality of agricultural products has resulted in Indonesia importing goods from other countries. The Central Statistic Agency, or known as PPS, recorded a cumulative import of 356,286 tons of rice throughout 2020 in Indonesia.
Based on these problems, diversification of staple food is a suitable solution. One example of food diversification is analog rice. Analog rice as a rice substitute is actually better than its original counterpart. Analog rice is food that is made from ingredients other than plain old rice but can be cooked into rice. Analog rice is made from ingredients that contain carbohydrates including corn, cassava, sorghum, tubers, sago, legumes with other additives.
Analog rice can be made out of various types and various combinations. Analog rice can be made from white corn flour and sarco starch that has certain amylose and amylopectin levels. Analog rice is produced using technology to produce grain that is similar to rice, and then dried to an optimal moisture content of 4 to 15% to increase shelf life. Analog rice can also be modified with sorghum flour, red bean flour, barn flour, glycerin monostearate, and soy protein isolate. These combinations increase levels of protein, fat, fibers, and also antioxidants. Analog rice has the same carbohydrate content but lower glycemic index, which makes it suitable for diabetics. Analog rice ingredients can also be modified to increase dietary fiber with certain amylose and amylopectin so that analog rice can feel and taste close to the actual rice.
Development of analog rice requires further research in order to obtain the exact combination that can produce taste, texture, color, aroma, and shape to the actual rice but healthier. Analog rice production requires proper distribution and marketing strategy such as packaging, labeling, and also price stability for mass daily consumption. Analog rice is an innovation that takes us one step closer towards sustainable food by maintaining food security and providing a healthier, better option.